guys. Wow, Cranberry Hair did the things. I am so impressed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous wig from a Cranberry Hair company. And by the way, today's video is in collaboration with Cranberry Hair company. Thank you so much, Cranberry Hair company, for sponsoring today's video. We really do love collaborations on this channel, especially when we do not have to use any got-to-be glue, any type of glue to lay the wig. Like literally guys, I took off this wig out of the box, I put it on my head, I cut the lace, I created this parting, and that was the end of it. Like period. This video is probably the shortest video I've ever created on YouTube because literally I can't. I still do not believe that I don't have any glue. I just want to show you, okay? Let me show you what I'm talking about. When we talk about transparent lace, when we talk about quality, when we talk about Cranberry Hair company, they produce really good quality. Let me show you guys. Look at that. I can lift the I can literally just lift the lace just like that. Look, and put it back. I've never seen anything like this, child, especially without using this got-to-be glue. I am so impressed. I am just in awe. I am so excited to be rocking this hair every single day because child, I really don't have time to be gluing hair every single day. Like I am, guys, this is perfect. I love the curls. I love the way they are so bouncy. The volume is out of this world. Look at, guys, can you just look at me? Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. So without any waste of time, let's get into today's video. So guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Cranberry Hair company. They were kind enough to send me these cute makeup brushes, a wig cap, a pair of lashes, cranberry hairband, a 2-in-1 bonnet plus shower cap, and this amazing 26 inches Brazilian HD lace wig, 4x4 dip wave virgin hair. If you love this wig as much as I do, please do check the description box down below for more information and of course direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Cranberry Hair company. As usual guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy. I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit
grave.
The text signed XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at cranberryhaircom, and please do check the description box for more information if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Cranberry Hair Company. Until next time, guys, bye bye.